Hi guys, ito yung live trading ni Abdallah kanina. At nag-profit siya ng $775. Then ito yung GC or mga sumabay sa kanya. Kita mo naman, nagpaldo sila. Grabe guys, in a span of minutes lang. Grabe guys, nasabog ang chat box sa mga sumabay sa kanya kasi nagpaldo sila.
46 seconds, 2 consecutive buys. What a crazy November. What a crazy volume, guys. I can't hold myself. That's incredible, guys. Wow. I can see this every single day. Repeating pattern happening every single day. Look at this. It opened, made the wick one, reverse, big time up, and we made the profits. 2 lovely consecutive.
Grabe guys, grabe in the span of seconds or minutes lang, dalawang position lang sabay pero sabog na sabog talaga.
Hands and all my family come to see what happens. That's amazing. Yeah, sometimes it happen, I shout and oh my god, lovely, unbelievable what's happening every single day. Unbelievable. I love.
So, ayan guys, pwede nyo yung ma-access yung pro trader natin. So, guys, punta kayo sa portal.joinnoah.io, tapos under Forex Hub, tapos authorized Telegram, join nyo, tapos US30 Noah Trade Ideas. So, guys, meron siyang 575 in one trade lang. Grabe. Super laki. And dalawang trades lang in one moment. So, guys, join na kayo.